Good morning all. Are you ready for today's online class? I hope that you are ready with your workbook for the class. Have you completed your homework? After completing your homework, please send me through my WhatsApp number. Okay? In last class, which are the things we discussed? Do you remember it? Can you recall it? If you can recall, tell which are the letters we discussed last day. Yes? What are the things we discussed in last class? Can you remember? Can you tell it? Yes. Which are the letters? Say. What was the letter? What was the first letter? What was the first letter? Yes. Very good. Yes. What is the sound of S? Yes, good. And what was the next letter? A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. And what was the next letter? P, right? Yes, very good. What is the sound of P? P. What is the sound of P? P. And next letter. I. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. And then what is next letter? N. What is the next letter? N. What was the last letter? Do you remember? One more letter was there. Do you remember it? Yes. What was that? T. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of N? N. What is the sound of T? T. Okay. Let's say one side. Tell with me. Which letter is this? S. Sound of S. What's the sound? Which letter is this? A. A. What is the sound of A? A. Yes. Next. P. What's the sound of P? P. Yes. Next one. E. I. Sound. E. And what is the next letter? N. What's the sound of N? Can you say? N. What's the sound of N? N. Yes. Next. What is the next letter? T. What's the sound of T? T. 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 Right? These letters we have discussed already. Let me show some pictures. Okay. What is this? What is this? Yes, we already studied. Sun. Sun. What is the first letter of sun? What is the first letter of sun? Say, first letter of sun. Yes. S. First letter of sun is S. So, ma'am is going to circle for this S. Okay. Can I circle? Yes. Look at here. Yes. See? S for sun. S for sun. S sun. S sun. Can you see? You cannot see. Okay. Let me draw one side. Okay. See? Is it visible? Yes. S sun. Say, all of you say. What's the sound of S? S sun. Okay. Next one. What is this? What is this? Nest. What is this? Nest. What is the first letter of nest? What is the first letter of nest? Is it M? M for nest? No. Is it N for nest? Yes, N-A, nest. N-A, nest. Okay, very good. N-A, nest. I am circled here, okay. N-A, nest. Ant. What is this? What is this? Igloo. Igloo. What is the first letter of igloo? E. Which letter comes? Igloo. E. Is it K? L? I? Yes, I-E. Igloo. I-E. Igloo. So, let me circle this one. Let me circle. Yes. I-E. Igloo. I-E. Igloo. See? Can you see? I-E. Igloo. Say. I-E. Igloo. Let me say once again. Yes. Sun. Yes. Sun. Next one. N. Nest. And next one. I-E. Igloo. And next picture. Apple. Apple. What is the first letter of apple? What is the first letter of apple? Say. All of you say. Yes. Very good. What is the first letter? Is it S? Let me circle for S. No. First letter of apple is A. Okay. Let me circle. A. First letter of apple is A. A are apple. All of you say. A are apple. A are apple. Okay. Okay, my dear children. All of you take your workbook volume 1. All of you take your workbook volume 1. See? Volume 1. This is your workbook volume 1. It is written here. Volume 1 workbook. Okay. Can you see? Okay, workbook. Are you ready? I think you all are ready with your workbook. And see? Take page number 12. Take page number 12. Ready? Take page number 12. Are you ready? This is the page 12. Page number 12. Are you ready? Yes. What is given? What was the question? What is the question? See? Circle the letter which makes the beginning sound. Circle the, now madam has done it, right? This way, circle the letter which makes the beginning sound. One example is given for you. This way, see? What is the picture, this one? Can you see? This side. Yes, what is the picture? Snake. What is this? Snake. Yes. What is the first letter of snake? What is the first letter? It is given for you. See? See, circled already with this pencil. It is circled here. S. What is the first letter of S? S. What is the first letter of snake? S. Sorry. What is the first letter of S? Look here. One is given for you. See, what is the picture here? Can you see? Can you see? Yes. Snake, right? Snake. What is the first letter of snake? What is the first letter of snake? S. It is circled here, right? See? S. Snake. S. Snake. It is easy. let me remind you one thing. You don't forget to write today's date. Okay. And see. Yes. Snake. It is given here. And next picture. Come down. See. What is second picture? What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Same question, right? See? S-A-T. See? What is the first letter of apple? What is the first letter of apple? A. A, apple. So, what you have to do? You have to circle for A. Yes. Ma'am will do from here. You have to circle. You circle in your textbook. Okay. Yes. A, apple. A, apple. Finished. Completed. Okay. And I think you all finished it. Completed. Yes. Can I go next question? Can I go to next question? See, ma'am is using pen to circle this letter. What you will use? You have to use your pencil, okay? Don't circle with the pen, okay? You have to circle with your pencil, okay? What is next picture? Telephone. Say telephone. Two. What will come? What is the first letter of telephone? Is it S? S? Yes? No. Next one. A. Is it first letter for telephone? No. Then what will be the first letter? T. Telephone. T. Yes, it is correct. So, what we have to do? Yes, all of you circle for T. Telephone. Telephone. Yes, circle it. Okay. Circle, see. Okay. And finished. And what is next picture? What is next picture? Suitcase. What is this? Suitcase. Suit. So, which letter will come? A. No. T. No. S. So, what you are telling? You finish your words. Yeah, very good. Let me do. Okay. So, I am doing very slowly, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me go next question. Next question. Before that, let me tell one more time. Okay. First one. First letter of apple. A. See, circle. Next one. T. Telephone. Circle for T. And next one. Suitcase. Circle for. Yes, we have done it. S circle. Okay, let us move next question. Next picture. What is this? Snake. Think. Which letter will come? Which letter will come? Yes, say. Yes, good. S. Okay. Many are doing very fastly, right? Very good. good. Yes. Yes. Snake. Yes. Snake. Yes. Snake. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let us move to next picture. Yes. What is this? Axe. What is this? Axe. What is this? Axe. Then which letter will come for axe? First letter of axe is? Is it S? No. Axe. Yes, good. Axe. Axe. Okay. Finish. Then. Ready? Are you ready for next picture? Yes, okay. What is next picture? It's a tree. It's a tree. What is the first letter of T? What will come? Tree. T. T. Yes, very good. T. What's the first letter of T? What's the first letter of tree? T. T. Yes, good. Have you completed? Yes. Then, who is this? Who is this? Tortoise, right? Tortoise. What's the first letter of tortoise? What's the first letter of tortoise? You don't know. Yes, T. Again T comes, right? T, tortoise. T, tortoise. Right? Circle for T. Yes. Ready? And next picture is snake. Next picture is snake. Yes, we have discussed that one. We have told, we have seen here, right? See? What is the first letter of snake? Yes, very good. S. Snake. Okay. Okay, come down. What is next picture? Who is this? With 8 legs. Yes, very good. Spider. Spider. What is the first letter of spider? What will come? Yes, good. Who is telling A? No, no one is telling. Very good. All are telling S. S, spider. S, spider. S, spider. Okay. Don't make mistake, okay? You have to do very carefully. Who is next picture? Who is this? Tiger. Tiger. Say, all of you say, tiger. What is the first letter of tiger? What is the first letter of tiger? T. 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 Yeah, very good. T. Tiger. T. Tiger. And who is this? Smiling here, who is this? Our little star. Yes, star. Star. What is the first letter of star? Yes. Circle for S. S. Star. S. Star. S. Star. Good. Then what is this next picture? Yes, it's an ambulance. Ambulance. All of you say ambulance. All of you say ambulance. What is the first letter of ambulance? What's the first sound? Ah. Ambulance. Then what is the first letter? A, ambulance. A, ambulance. A, ambulance. Okay. Have you completed this page? I think you all are completed this page. Right? Have you completed? Okay. And let me take next page. Are you ready for next page? Are you ready for next page? Yes, 10 page number, next page number 30. Page number 30. Okay, shall we do? Are you ready? Okay. See, what is this? What is the question first? Circle the letter which makes the beginning sound. Circle the same question only. Circle the letter which makes the beginning sound. So, what is this? What is this? 9, right? 9. Do you know the spelling of 9? Yes, we have studied, right? In maths. Yes, what is the first letter of 9? 9. N. Yes. N. N. So, circle for N. Circle for N. N. 9. N. 9. N. 9. Okay, then one cute bird is here. P. What? Who is this? Parrot. Parrot. People. Parrot. What is the first letter of parrot? P. Okay. People. Parrot. People. Parrot. Okay. What is this? What is this? We have studied about sense organs, right? Right? Nose. Nose. Right? Where is your nose? Where is your nose? Yes, touch your nose. Touch your nose. What is the first letter of nose? What is the first letter of nose? Nose. Nose. What if you say nose? So, first letter of nose is P? No. What is the first letter of nose? N. N. Nose. N. Nose. Okay. And who is this? Who is this? Yes, penguin. Penguin. What of you say? Penguin. What is the first letter of penguin? P. 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 Right? So, first sound P. So, first letter? Yes, very good. P. 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 Penguin. P. P. Penguin. So, let us circle for P. Let us circle for P. Yes. Okay, all of you circle. Yes. Can you follow me? Can you follow me, my dear children? Yes. Okay. Then what is the next picture? Iguana. Iguana, right? E. Iguana. Then what letter will come? E. Yes. I will come, right? I, E, iguana. Then circle for I. Circle. Yes. Can you see? Can you see? Circle for I. Iguana. I, E, iguana. Then what is next picture? Let me. Did you circle that one? Okay. What is next picture? What is next picture? Neck. Neck. What is that? Where is your neck? Yes. Yes. Where is your neck? Yes. Very good. Neck. All of you say. This is your neck, right? Say neck. Neck. Say neck. What is the first letter of neck? What is the first letter of neck? Is it P? P? No, N. What will come? Yes, very good. N. N, neck. What of you say? N, neck. N, neck. Circle for N. What of you circle for N? Okay. And what is the next picture? What is the next picture? Ink. What is the next picture? Ink. What is the next picture? Ink. E. Which letter will come? E. 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 Yes, say I. I, E, ink. So, circle for I. I, E, ink. I, E, ink. Completed. Have you completed? I, E, ink. Okay. Then what is next one? What is next one? Say pants. Right? Pants. P. Which letter will come? P. Which letter will come? Yes, good. P. P, pants. Very good, very good. P, pants. P, pants. Okay. And what is this? What is this? Yes, good. What is this? Pencil. What is this? Pencils. P, pencils. Then which letter will come? Yes, P. First letter of pencil is P. Circle for P. Okay, all of you circle for P. All of you circle for P. Ready? Let me move next question. What is next picture? What is next picture? We can see stars and moon in the sky, right? Then when we can see stars and moon? Yes, very good. In the night, right? So this is a picture of night, right? What is the first letter of night? Night. Say. What's the first letter of night? N. Which letter will come? Yes, good. N. N is the first letter of night. Say, all of you say, circle first. N, night. N, night. N, night. Okay. And next one. Next one, what is the next picture? What is the next picture? Igloo. We have studied this one, right? Igloo. What is the first letter of igloo? E. What is the first letter? What is the first letter? I. Yes. I, E, igloo. So, all of you circle. Yes, very good. I, E, igloo. I, E, igloo. What of you say? I, E, igloo. Okay, good. And what is next picture? What is next picture? See? What is this? Nest, right? Nest, right? Yes, same picture is here. Nest. What is the first letter of nest? What is the first letter of nest? N. Yes, very good. N, nest. N, nest. N, nest. Okay, let us circle. Are you ready? Yes, circle for N. N. Yes. N. Finished. See, 2 pages finished, right? Have you completed? Completed. Okay. Then One more small question is there. After that, we can wind up, okay? Are you ready for next class? Next question. Are you ready? Let me move. What is the third question? See? Can you see? Write words using the letters S, A, T, P, I, P and N. We have to write only one or two words now using these letters. We can use these letters. See? These same letters only. So, one letter word is given for you. What was that? In the four line. One word is given for you, right? P. See, this P, I, N. These letters are used for making P. And shall we make one more word with the S? Then, which letter is this? Which letter? If I use A, sa. Then, shall we write here? T. Sat. Yes, very good. It's a word, right? Sat. Okay. We can write one more word here. Okay. All of you write this word here. Sat. No, I am not writing next word. You have to write. Okay. You have to make any word from these letters. Okay. One word is given for you in the textbook itself and one word ma'am has written, right? Then next one more word you have to write here. Okay, are you ready? Okay, if you write, when you come to school, ma'am will give you big star. Okay, very good. Let us wind up now. Before going, let me give some works as homework. Okay, see, all of you take next page number 14 and 15. Okay, you have to complete these works. Easy only, it's easy. That's why ma'am is giving you more pages. Okay, these 3 pages you have to complete. Just match with the letters and its pictures. See, beginning sounds. You have to write date and say the beginning sound of the pictures. You have to look these pictures and you have to say the first letters of these pictures and match the picture to the letter that makes the sound, which is the first letter. You have to just match it. It's easy. Okay. This one also same. Okay. Here it is given only small letters and you have to match it. And one more work is there. Here also one work is there. Just like this work. You have to make words with these letters. And page number 16 also you have to practice these pictures beginning sound. Okay. Is it more work? No, it will not be more work. Okay. It's easy to write. Just draw lines and only here you have to practice the first letters of these pictures. Okay. Okay. Bye.